Hi everyone, I am Sudha Maheshwari, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science, the Standard Fires Rajaratnam College for Women, Sivagasi. Today I am going to talk about Jackson Structured Programming. Jackson Structured Programming is one of the software design technique. It was developed by Michael Jackson. He is a British scientist. It was developed in 1970s. Programming method is a systematic technique for mapping the structure of a problem into a program structure to solve the problem. Mapping is accomplished in three steps. In the first step, problem is modeled by specifying input and output data structures using tree-structure diagram. The second step, the input-output model is converted to a structural model. In the third step, the structural model is expanded into a detailed design model that contains the operations needed to solve the problem. In the first step, the problem to be solved contains various input and output data structures, which should be specified in a graphical notations, which may contain data hierarchy, data representations, and so on. Let us consider this picture. This is a tree-like format, which contains various data in it. In this, the data A consists of B, C, and then D. Likewise, C consists of either E or F, and it includes G in one or more occurrences. Likewise, F contains H followed by I. In this, 0 represents either or. Asterisk by exponent of asterisk represents one or more occurrences. Let us consider the second step involves finding common input and output from the data structure and combine these data structures into a common structure format, structure representation. Then third step involves mapping these data structures or expanding these data structures into a detailed design for a problem. Jackson structured method is illustrated by using an inventory problem. This figure represents the tree structure of an input and output file of an inventory problem. The input file contains various records which has part number. Each record has part number along with number of units of issue of items and number of units of receipt of items during a transaction. The collection of part numbers or collection of records is called part group. Output file to be produced from the input file, which contains heading and the body. The body contains the net movement line, which is derived from the part group. This structure program is derived from the step 1. From step 1, the common input and output files or data are combined to form this type of structure. Here the program contains process heading and process body. The process body contains pod group and line number. The body of the pod group contains one or more process records, which has either issue record or receipt record, and then combined with the process line it forms the process body. The third step, operations needed to solve a problem, should be listed first. Here, in this problem, a list of operations, there are 9 operations are listed. From open files, close files, stop run, feed a record into part number movement, write heading, write net movement line, set net movement line to 0, add movement to net movement, subtract movement from net movement. The figure on the side represents the associated operations with the program structure. Here the program begins with opening files, then reading part number and movement, then writing process heading. Writing net movement line involves nested while loops. In the outer loop, net movement is set to 0. In the inner loop, we have to check uh, whether the movement is equal to issue or receipt. If the movement is equal to issue, subtract movement from net movement. Else, if movement is equal to receipt, add movement to net movement. Then read part number and movement. Then after that, we can close the files and end the program. Jackson structured method may result in structured classes and needs look ahead. Structured classes may occur when point of commonality between input and output data structures which cannot be identified. Structured classes can be resolved by program inversion. Look ahead problems can be resolved using backtracking.